Welcome to my channel. My name is Michael, and this is Validus Leadership Rank and Reward. How you can actually benefit from Validus. 100% guarantee. From my experience, these guys are amazing and they are doing wonderfully well. If you are new to this channel, cryptocurrency, affiliate passive income is what we do here, and I will be updating video weekly. So subscribe to this channel to get notified whenever I drop a new video, so that you don't miss out on opportunity like this, Validus and all of that. So guys, I'm going to walk you guys through the reward for leadership. For those who are watching this video and want to be a leader in Validus, what you need to do to maximize the opportunity. So I'm going to walk you guys through now, and then so this is leadership rank for Validus. I want to zoom this in so you can see what it entails for you to be part of Validus. So first of all, you must have an account. Must have a personal active package. So you must register. The link to get on board is going to be in the description of this video. When you get on board, you can pick any of a package from $50, $100 above. But I want to let you know the handsome of your investment determine your reward. So that is just it. So you need to register through the link. There's a link in the description of the video. Register and pick an account, and then you can start to become a leader. Secondly, you must have one of direct sponsored active account on the left hand side of your network. 3, and one direct sponsor active account on the right hand side of your network tree. That is, you have a link. If you register and you activate, you have a link on the left and right. So you must have active account on the both side. That qualifies you to become a leader. 3, must meet the minimum volume requirement for representative position. So you must meet this requirement. I'm going to explain that in all this slide now. Then 4, must meet the shortcut requirements for the representative position for emperor and above. This is the first leadership rank that has no structure requirement. The volume requirement is 5,000 on the left hand side. So that one is just your stage 1. So now let me zoom this so that you can see this. I want to take it one after the other so you can understand what we're doing here. Now, Sapphire. What do you need to become a Sapphire in Validus? After you have done your account and all that, now you need a sale of right and left that makes it a total of $40,000. So $20,000 on the left, $20,000 on the right, and your reward is Apple Watch plus $200. That is what qualifies to become a Sapphire leadership in Validus. Second, the big one, you need to become a Ruby. You need 80,000 sales here, and you have an iPhone 13 Pro Max or a $700 reward. So instead of getting the iPhone, you can decide to turn it to a what to the cash worth of that amount. But for me, I prefer iPhone 13 Pro Max about $1,000. So you are making is still added profit for those who don't have iPhone currently. And then the third stage, you need $25,000 both on the left and on the right. Then you'll be given MacBook Pro or a $1,500 account. You know what the price of MacBook Pro is in Nigeria. One structure that qualifies you for this is one ruby on the right hand side and one ruby on the left hand side. So you need to have a ruby, this rank. You need to have this rank 2 left and right, that qualifies you for this package. Now the diamond coach total sale of the diamond package is $750,000 on the left and on the right. There are people that have done this in this industry currently now. And you have VIP treat reward. They'll give you a VIP treat to travel to Dubai. That is what you get on becoming a diamond. And it's not just going to Dubai, there's cash reward to it. Now we have blue diamond. Blue diamond is, you need $2 million. You understand now? Now $2 million sales, that's $4 million sales to become a blue diamond. Blue diamond ring, there's a ring that comes in a diamond, and that is what you get for this, and it's very expensive. Currently I don't have the price tag for that ring, but I tell you, it's worth, this is an award just by plugging into this platform. Now you need structure 3 diamond, at least 1 diamond on one each minimum side of your hand, that qualifies you for this blue diamond. The black diamond, you need $4 million sales. $4 million sales. You will receive a Rolex reward for that. That Rolex reward, I don't know the current price of Rolex, the original Rolex, but those who understand Rolex, you know this is what getting from this platform. Now the structure is 3 blue diamond. You can see there the dot here, at least one will be on the each of the side, at least one here, you get that a black diamond. It is workable and is profitable. Now the highest rank, which is crown diamond, nobody has, I've not seen somebody that's got into this yet, but I know people are working towards it. You need $8 million sales on the left and right. Lamborghini, that is your reward. You need a structure 3 black diamond, at least 3. One here, and maybe anyone can be the third one. So this is what you get as a leader in Validus. So you can see that Lamborghini is about $1 million plus. For making this kind of sales, these crazy sales, this is what you get to become a leader. That is the terms and conditions apply. Now Validus, what do they do? Validus are into forex trading, commodity, stock, NFT, and cryptocurrency. So when you invest in Validus, you will have what we call royal reward pool, where you get 3% of your money on a weekly basis, then 10% monthly for 60 weeks. Let me pause it and show you something, guys. For 60 weeks, you are guaranteed of 350%, possibly 5x of your money. Now in a weekly, you get 3 to 2% weekly, but it's going to be more than that at times. So you see royal pool, you see what we do, NFTs, stock, stake, gaming, and forex, cryptocurrency, and all of that. So this is what they do on this platform, and this is a handsome reward for investing on this platform. So guys, if you are new to my channel, what do we do here? We do cryptocurrency, passive income, how you can actually earn without lifting your finger and all of that. So find the video, find the link in this description of this video, and jump on it, and I'll be glad to work with you as a team to achieve these ranks and all of that. So guys, a minimum package is just $50. I have a project I call $50 to $1 million in 60 weeks. It is achievable. Crazy rewards are coming up. If I show you some screenshots today, as I speak currently, there are people that are investing today, and today we had about $35,000 investment today. So this is amazing, guys. This is amazing, and these guys are really here for business. I'm telling you with honesty, with what I've seen, they are here for business. So I would love you to click the link in the description video to get on board. My WhatsApp number is going to be there. You can reach out to me when you have any further questions, or you want me to spot more light on any other thing you want me to talk about this platform. I'll be very glad to do. We have 1 to 8 packages on Validus. The highest is $10,000. I have a video. I've done a video on this channel on how you can purchase your package, how you to fund all of that and make withdrawals. I've done withdrawals several times, and I've done that, and I've done a video on that. So you can look out for the video on this channel. There's a playlist for that, and I'll be very happy to hear from you guys. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.